this video, in this 5-part video series, I'm going to be sharing with you how to heal a broken relationship. And more specific, in this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you how to rebuild trust in your relationship if trust has been broken. So first of all, before we get started with this video, if you've not already subscribed to my channel, don't forget hit that subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video in this series goes live. And don't forget to hit that bell icon. That will be the thing that notifies you when the video is uploaded. If you don't know who I am, just in case, my name is Steve Boylan and I help couples to create happy, loving, trusting and fulfilling relationships. So let's dive straight in. So first of all, why is trust super important when it comes to your relationship? Well, if you don't trust your partner, or if your partner doesn't trust you, then you are going to be feeling really anxious, you're going to be feeling really scared, really worried, you're going to have a lot of doubt. And again, this is not a way that you or anybody else should be living. So if there has been a breaking of trust, whether that's been an affair, whether it's just constant lying in your relationship, then it's absolutely essential that you watch the rest of this video and you follow the steps in this video. However, trust is a game of two halves. And what do I mean by a game of two halves? Well, it's a game of two halves. It's the first half is the person who's sort of done the betraying, if you like. They need to make sure that they do everything they can to, when they say they're going to do something, that they follow through on it, even if it's nothing in relation to what they did, because they've got to build their willpower up to make sure that if they say they're going to do something, they're going to commit to doing it. Because if they don't commit to doing it, their willpower is going to become weak and they're going to continue to break trust in their relationship. So if you have broken trust in your relationship, going forward, be open, be honest, and make sure you commit to everything that you have done, that you say you're going to do, to continue to build the trust. Horrible weather this morning, by the way. And then the next half is the person who's been betrayed. You are left with a decision, and it is your decision. You've got to make the decision whether it's forgivable or unforgivable. At this moment in time, if you're thinking, I can't forgive them, I'm never going to be able to forgive them, well, what you're going to find is you're going to continue to struggle with a lot of difficult emotions. You're going to struggle with resentment, anger, sadness, maybe even guilt. There could be lots of different emotions that you're going to struggle with, and that's because you're holding on to what's happened and you're not moving forward. And I'm not saying you have to forgive, but again, those who forgive are those who heal themselves and those who are able to move forward in their relationships and their lives. So what I would encourage you to do is give this some strong consideration. Are you going to forgive, or are you going to hold on to what that person's done and how they betrayed you? We have to understand that people make mistakes, but if they're constantly making the same mistake, then you've got to ask the question, are they really going to change? If they've made maybe one or two mistakes, then that's what human beings do, unfortunately. So you're never going to find somebody who's never ever going to make a mistake in life. And if you think that's going to happen, then unfortunately it's not going to happen. However, like I say, some mistakes can be too big that they're unforgivable, and therefore if they're unforgivable, only you can make that decision. But that's the way that we rebuild trust in our relationship. Like I say, we need to know why it's important, because if we don't have trust, we don't feel safe, we don't feel secure. If we want to, rebuild trust, then we need to make sure that we're doing everything we say we're going to do and we're being open and honest. And then if we want to deal with a betrayal, then we need to make a decision whether we're going to forgive or whether we're going to hold on to it. If we're going to hold on to it, then I would say you're going to find it very difficult to have a relationship with that person. If you want to be with them, then the ultimate way is to forgive them and to move on with your relationship. Draw a line in the sand and keep moving forward. And what I'd love to do is give you the opportunity, if you've not already booked a free consultation with me, then you can book one today. All you need to do is comment yes in the box below, or you can in the inbox me and I'll get back to you, and I will give you some top strategies, things that you need to do to create an happy, loving, trusting and fulfilling relationship. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video and share the love, baby, and share this video with your friends. Thank you and goodbye.